Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a full tutorial on how to enable smooth transitions in Telegram's power-saving mode. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Look for the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside Telegram, locate the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Simply tap on them to access the main menu. Step 3. From the menu options, find and tap on Settings. This will take you to the Telegram settings page. Step 4. Inside the settings page, scroll down until you see Power Saving. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Within the power saving settings, you'll find an option labeled Enable Smooth Transitions. Tap on it to enable this feature. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled smooth transitions in Telegram's power saving mode. Enjoy a seamless and visually pleasing experience. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your Telegram experience by enabling smooth transitions while conserving power. Smooth transitions provide a seamless and visually appealing user interface. Enabling smooth transitions in power-saving mode allows you to strike a balance between power efficiency and user experience, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable Telegram usage. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in assisting you with enabling smooth transitions in Telegram's power-saving mode. If you found this video useful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy the smooth transitions in Telegram's power-saving mode.